Insurance providers calculate premiums based on risk. They'll consider the type of vehicle you drive, your driving habits, and the likelihood of a claim being made. So here's some factors the insurers will use to make those calculations. Insurance providers may look at the crime rate in your area and the likelihood of your car being stolen. They'll also look at your age. For instance, you may be considered a higher risk if you're a young driver. Younger drivers may be considered a higher risk due to inexperience and the possibility that they're more likely to be involved in an accident. The use of telematics or the black box will lower premiums and, more importantly, will definitely encourage safer driving. Insurance providers consider whether or not your occupation will increase or decrease the chance of you making a claim. For instance, social or community workers will spend more time on the road, which means that they're more likely to have an accident than somebody, say for instance, who sat in an office. Having a higher mileage will definitely increase your premium. Unfortunately, the more time you spend on the road, the more likely you are to be involved in an accident. Some other things that will be taken into account will be any prior claims, your driving experience, and any convictions you may have had. When a vehicle's first manufactured, it's given an insurance group number. So for instance, a small car like a Ford Ka may be an insurance group 1. It's an insurance group 1 because it's cheap to repair. This number is given to the car based on the cost of repairing the front of that car if it's involved in an accident, whereas a high-end sports car may be an insurance group 40 because the parts and the labour will be so much more expensive. These factors are also taken into account when calculating your premium. Any no claims discount you have will also lower the premium. The more discount you have means that you're a safer driver and therefore a lower risk. How much excess are you willing to pay if the worst should happen? Most insurers now give the option to increase the excess in order to lower the premium. It's definitely something I wouldn't recommend. I've seen so many people get caught out with that one. If anybody does need any help or advice in selecting the right insurance, please feel free to call us or check out our website cars-grimsby.co.uk.